Today, we will see how to effortlessly, using artificial intelligence, we can create product reviews and promote products from the Amazon Creator Connections program. So if you have been invited to the Amazon Creator Connections program, you might have already browsed it. If you don't know what it is a marketplace where brands can push products that they want content creators like probably you if you're watching this video with a higher commission. So if we promote one of these products on behalf of the brand on our whatever media we use, we will get a higher commission if we trigger affiliate sales. So if you have a website, you can actually leverage artificial intelligence to effortlessly create product reviews and promote these products in a very fast way. So once you have found products that you want to promote, all you have to do is to go in the view details part of the campaign. So for example, I have found this product that I want to promote on my website. So all I have to do is to go on view details. I have already accepted the partnership with this brand. I have read the requirements. Make sure that you read the requirements. And for example, they have some promo in September, and what you want to see here is the commission rate is 5%, which is higher than the usual. It should be 3% in this category. So they have two products that they want to promote. For example, I want to promote this one. So all I have to do is to get the Amazon associate link. Then I have on another browser here in Chrome, I open the product page. Oh, if it's working. I have to remove this because I am in another country, and if I don't remove the end of the URL, it redirects me to another Amazon country. But here I have the Amazon product page open, and because I have installed Gizmo plugin on Chrome, I can add this product for AI generation. Now it is done in one click. Now all I have to do is to come back, go to my WordPress website, open the Gizzmo.ai plugin. Oh, here I have to connect my Gizmo account to continue. So let's go to Gizmo page. Up. Gizmo. Here I am, Gizmo, security, copy the token. Now I can go back, connect my token. And here I am in the Gizmo plugin. I can go in product review. And here I have the list of products I've already imported in Gizmo app. So this new product that I have selected on Amazon, I have to ask AI to prepare data coming from this product. So it will import data coming from this product, and then AI will alone generate a product review that I can then submit in the Amazon Creator Connections page to get a higher commission if affiliate sales are originated from the reviews that I created specifically for this campaign. So here you can see the AI is now preparing data for this product. It takes a few seconds, usually less than a few minutes. So it is pretty fast. And let's just wait a little. So sometimes it is not properly updating on this page. So let's just reload the page and see what it says. Okay, so here it's ready. So now all I have to do is to click on review. It is getting product data. I will have already submitted my my Amazon IDs. So all I will have to do is to select the one I need. I want to use for this review. So here we go. I have my affiliate tag already set up, so I can use this one. If I want the article to include some SEO keywords, I can add them here, but that's not the case right now. I can change the featured product image from the images offered in the article. And now I can create the product review post. Just clicking one button, and artificial intelligence will create for me a product review, included my Amazon affiliate links. So now I can go to my post, and here it has created a draft, so I can edit the draft and have a look at which article has been generated for me by artificial intelligence to review an Amazon affiliate product coming from the Creators Connection program. So here's the review, enhance your creative workflow with this product. Here we have a picture, we have here Amazon affiliate links with my affiliate tag. So here you can see a full product review. So we can create different type of reviews, simple product reviews, product roundups, and also articles, more in-depth article about a specific type of product. We even have a conclusion and at the end a question and answers part with an Amazon carousel to trigger sales. Now I can publish this article. Let's publish it right now. Wait a few seconds for WordPress to process it, and here we go. The post has been published. Now all I have to do is to go check the post. So this post is published. Actually, one thing is missing is the affiliate disclosure. So actually there is right here the affiliate disclosure, but it might be better just to put it more visible to make sure that you will not have an issue, you will not run into trouble with the brand. So here they really need it to be easy to see. So let's add here affiliate disclosure at the beginning. Maybe make it stand out, or no, oh, that's fine like that. Okay, so we have an affiliate disclosure. We can update. Okay, now view the post. And also because my affiliate disclosure was on the sidebar, it might not show properly on mobile. Now for sure it will show. And then copy the link, go back to Amazon Creator Connections page with the brand, and here submit the link to your published content. So in my case, it is an article or blog post, but you can also participate to Amazon Creator Connections with video, Instagram, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes the brands require a specific type of content. In that case, it was not specified, so we can submit an article. And here we go, we have participated in an Amazon Creator Connections, a program with a brand, using AI generated content and having created a review of a product with only a few clicks. So if you want to do the same, simply try using Gizmo Artificial Intelligence, install the WordPress plugin, install the Chrome extension, and by creating, of course, an account on Gizmo, with a few clicks, you will be able to easily create Amazon product reviews, product roundups, and more in a few clicks, and participate in the Amazon Creator Connections program.